Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make steak and shrimp kebab skewers. It's a simple, cool recipe that you can use for summer parties and iftar parties, and it's very simple to make and put together because it is Basant style. Let's go over the ingredients really quick. We're going to use red and green bell pepper, white onion, parsley, garlic powder, salt, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, but no worries, I'm going to have all the ingredients written in the description. And over here, I have my 9-inch bamboo skewers already soaking so they don't burn on the grill. It's very important. We're gonna use about 2 pounds of skirt steak, and I'm gonna use 16-20 count shrimp. And we have oil and lemon juice. So this is it. It is simple, there's nothing to it. We're gonna put them together. I'm gonna cut the steak in about 1/2 inch wide strips. So when we skewer it, it goes in like this. We're gonna put them on the skewers, we're gonna fold and skew it. How hot is that? So now we're gonna move on to the seasoning part. It's simple. You're gonna put a little lemon, a little oil, a little dry rub because I love dry rubs, and we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna work on the shrimp, we're gonna make the skewers, and we're gonna start grilling. I'm gonna start off with about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We're gonna start with salt. 1/2 tablespoon or to taste. The thing with steak is if you under season it, you can season it after it's cooked. And about 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm gonna put 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. And I like it with a little zing, so if you don't like spices, you can skip this part, but I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of Cajun Rub. A little bit of parsley because it looks hot, and we're gonna just mix it all in. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, little salt, about 1/2 teaspoon, little garlic powder, same amount, 1/2 teaspoon. We're gonna skip black pepper, and we're gonna go 1 teaspoon. A little bit extra if you like too spicy of Cajun seasoning, and a pinch of parsley because it gives it a hot color. Just mix it all in. Marinated, I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And the shrimp is already marinated. Shrimp doesn't have to wait that long. As soon as the steak is done, now I'm gonna cut the vegetables. I'm gonna show you how to make the knife cuts for the onions and peppers. We're gonna put them in the skewers, and we're gonna get to the grilling part, my favorite. I can't wait. So we're gonna take the top off, pour it. It's a big pepper, so I'm gonna pour it with my knife. This. Take it out. You don't want none of this in there. Cut it in half. That's what you want. See? You get perfect cubes. So cut it in the middle, and then you cut it in the middle of the half. 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna start building the kebabs. Take the skewer out. So we cut them in strips. So I like them in a uniform fashion. So what you do is just fold it in. One. You start with the second tier. The veggie down. Just building it up like after I make the kebab. Wow, look at that. Steak skewers are ready, guys, and they look gorgeous. I want to show you how pretty they are. Symmetrical, color coordinated, and I cannot wait to put them on the grill. Start working on the shrimp skewers. I like to put 5 per skewer. And you start from the bottom, right above the tail, and go straight up. Just like that. So guys, check out how hot this looks. And we put it like this. I'm gonna make quick seasoned oil to hydrate the kebabs when we're grilling them. In half a cup of oil, put like a pinch of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and this is optional. I like to add a little red chili flakes, so 1 teaspoon, and just mix it in. Wow. So once you baste the kebabs while they're cooking in oil, it's just gonna be awesome. After I put the kebabs on the grill, I start hydrating them. And once we flip them, that's when the party's gonna start. So I'm gonna just flip them over. Wow, look at the char that's coming on. Oh, that looks hot. Wow, look at the char. So we did it like 3 minutes each side, and I flipped it twice. And we're gonna hydrate it one more time. So guys, the kebabs are almost ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the shrimp down, because the shrimp doesn't take too long to cook. So I waited till the end. I'm gonna do it really quick, few minutes. And the shrimp is done gorgeous. Wow. So there guys, the steak kebab skewers are ready and they look gorgeous. Look at the char on the vegetables, the meat, and my shrimp skewers are perfect. They're cooked perfectly and they have a beautiful color on them. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move to my ultimate favorite part. We're gonna start plating in a paella platter. It's cool, you're gonna love it because it is Basant style. I have the rice pilaf down in a paella platter. I love my platter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the kebabs and we're gonna start taking them off the skewers. Start plating them. So just piece by piece. Wow, I love the color. So now I'm just gonna take the shrimp off the skewers and place them. Wow, look at that. My mouth is just watering looking at it. And now for my favorite garnish, dried parsley. This is it guys, my steak and shrimp kebab platter is ready. It's served over rice pilaf and it smells amazing. I want you to see the char on the steak, the veggies, and the color of the shrimp is so beautiful. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. It is simple, it is very easy to duplicate. I want you to picture your next event where you have a few guests over, the weather is beautiful, you make your steak kebab, you make your shrimp skewers, you put them on a paella platter, and you serve it. And it is gonna be knocked out of the park every single time. So guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll get you guys next time with Sunstar.
Take it for a spin.
Wow. Unbelievable.